Welcome to a journey of inspiration. Today, we explore house front yard landscaping ideas that will transform not only the look of your home, but also the feeling it gives every time you come back. A front yard is more than decoration, it is the handshake of your house, the first impression that tells a story. Imagine stepping on a beautifully arranged pathway. Each stone carefully placed, leading you home, surrounded by fresh greenery. A pathway is not just about walking, it is about guiding energy and creating flow. Hedges bring order and symmetry. They frame your home like a picture, making everything inside stand out. A simple, low-maintenance choice that gives a sense of calm and balance. Flowers bring life. Their colors create emotions: joy, hope, and warmth. A touch of seasonal flowers can change the whole mood of your front yard. At night, lighting turns your front yard into a stage of beauty. Each lamp creates highlights, shadows, and depth, transforming your garden into a living artwork. The gentle sound of water soothes the mind. A small fountain or water feature adds freshness, movement, and elegance, an oasis before you even step inside your home. Simplicity speaks louder than excess. Minimalist front yards show strength in clarity: stones, a few chosen plants, and open space that feels calm yet powerful. Modern landscaping thrives on geometry. Straight lines, sharp edges, and structured layers bring a sense of control and modern beauty. Rocks and grass together bring nature closer. This combination balances softness and strength, making your front yard look timeless. Let your yard tell the story of the seasons. Spring blooms, summer brightness, autumn warmth, and winter calm. Each season brings its own charm to your front garden. Your entrance is the heart of your front yard. Plants framing the door act like gentle arms, welcoming you and your guests with warmth. A single tree can hold presence. It can be the centerpiece, giving shade, life, and character to your yard. Strong, rooted, and graceful. A clean lawn is timeless. It shows care, order, and attention, making your home look elegant with just simple green beauty. Variety of textures creates depth. Gravel paths, soft plants, and wooden touches together create a front yard full of character. A front yard is not just for seeing, it's for living. A bench or seating area invites you to pause, breathe, and feel the beauty you created. Limited space doesn't limit creativity. A vertical garden turns empty walls into living art, fresh, green, and inspiring. Sustainability matters. Choosing native plants means less water, less care, and more harmony with the environment, beauty that respects nature. Stones have silent strength. Placing them as art pieces brings a natural yet sculptural element to your yard. Symmetry pleases the human eye. Mirrored plants and pathways bring order, elegance, and timeless beauty. Rustic landscaping tells a story of warmth. Wooden fences, wildflowers, and natural tones give your home a cozy, welcoming charm. Plants can be art. Sculpted shrubs or bonsai trees create a living sculpture that makes your front yard stand out. Even a driveway can be beautiful. Framing it with plants softens the concrete and adds elegance to function. Harmony is key. Choosing flower colors that match your home's walls or roof creates unity and sophistication. Shaded corners don't have to be empty. Ferns, moss, and shade-loving plants bring depth and mystery to hidden spots. Strategic lighting adds drama. Highlighting a tree or plant at night makes it look like a masterpiece under the stars. Steps can be more than functional. Decorate them with pots of flowers, herbs, or greenery, turning them into a welcoming stage. Layering creates rhythm. Tall at the back, medium in the middle, and low in the front, a simple trick to achieve professional landscaping. A front yard should not only be seen, but also felt. The scent of jasmine, lavender, or roses makes every entrance a sensory delight. Practical and beautiful herbs and fruit plants in the front yard bring freshness, usefulness, and natural fragrance. Pots are not just containers, they are art. Using stylish pots adds personality and charm to your landscape. As the day ends, your front yard holds stories of beauty, peace, and pride. It reflects who you are, welcoming every step home. Your front yard is not just ground, it is a canvas. With the right ideas, you can turn it into a living masterpiece. A daily reminder that beauty starts from the very first step.